Hey guys, so you want to connect your microphone to your MacBook Pro? Okay, really simple way of doing it. I'm going to show you how. So the first thing you'll need is a headphone and microphone splitter. The one I'm using here, I'll leave a link in the description below. Then simply take your microphone and plug it into the microphone port. The next thing I did was just plug the splitter into the headphone port on your MacBook Pro. Next I just used the headphones from my mobile phone, or you can use any headphones, and just plug it into the headphone port. Once this is done, you can load up your sound preferences and you'll notice that absolutely nothing's changed. But don't worry, all you have to do is take your splitter out of the headphone port, reconnect it, and you will notice that it changes from built-in to microphone port. And that's it, easy as that. Once you have that working, you can disconnect your headphones, you don't need them anymore, and now you have a working microphone with your MacBook Pro. Well, I hope this was helpful for you. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you. Thanks for watching.